Hello, today we're looking at the Gemini Jet's KLM Royal Dutch Airlines Airbus A330-200 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a very nice presentation box. We have an image of the plane found inside, identical to what you will find. The model of the plane, Airbus A330-200, and the airline, of course, KLM. Now if we look at the back, we have another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can open up the box to see the window, and you can see the plane sat inside without having to take it out, so you can have it on display like this. And then on the lid, we have a little history of the Airbus A330, some specification information such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches, and then some other information you might like to know, such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. It comes packaged in 2 pieces of plastic. Just remove it with the little cover. And there you have it, the Airbus A330-200 with the KLM livery. And as you can see, this is KLM livery, the bright blue of the livery running all the way along. We've got KLM logo with it saying Royal Dutch Liveries. Of course, KLM on the vertical stabilizer. Let's look at some of the other details. So here we have a little name, the Flying Dutchman. Right here we have A330-200, the model of the plane. Moving down to the front, we have some locations. As you can see, this one says Venezia here. We have Air France KLM, of course the airline it runs with. And a little SkyTeam logo, of course the airline alliance it runs with. As well as a registration of PHAOM, which a Dutch flag and a European Union flag. Now let's look at some of the physical details of the plane. So if we look at the wings, you can see the flaps, the ailerons, the wingtips on both sides. On the stabilizer, you see the rudders and the elevators. It's very nice. Got very nice detailed jet engines with little KLM logos on them. You can see very nice detailed landing gear, front and back. Underneath, you can see the Gemini Jet's logo, a registration again, and a little place for a stand for the plane. We can look towards the cockpit. It's very nice. And we can look at the details on this side. Of course, it's the same details found on the other. Overall, it's a very, very high quality model. Of course, this is a die-cast metal model, but please be careful as some parts may be more delicate, such as the landing gear on the bottom, or little antennas such as these on top, which you can see just tons of detail. It has a length of about 14.7 centimeters and a wingspan of about 15.1. So this is on the larger size of 1/400 scale models for Gemini jets. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.